Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, September the 13th. Friday the 13th. As you probably know by now, Darko has taken over our short-term trading service, and he provides a short-term pre-market analysis video for the short-term members in addition to the PMA for the longer-term members. And in this video, I'm going to play a clip out of his latest short-term PMA where he'll show you a trade setup in advance, of course. And then I'll come on and I'll show you the aftermath and how to use that short-term PMA information, right, to actually get in on a trade. Hope you find this useful, or at least interesting. And if so, let us know by hitting the like button. We'd be very grateful. So here's Darko with the details of the setup, and then I'll come on and show you the aftermath.
USD CAD, my bias is 100% short. Okay, so this is a level that you should be looking for an option number 2 shorting opportunity. Okay, super bearish candle action. We are closing and we have this candle clearly establishing below this level, and this level has been respected for so many weeks, months. Okay, this level has always been a strong level for USD CAD, or at least from here moving forward. Look at all the the breakout, this candle establishing, holding this level for so many weeks, months, closing. Same in here, just like the opposite what happens in here is happening on the other side. Support becomes resistance. Now you need to wait for an evidence to short. Could be a daily ACAT, could be an hourly swing break rotation. Okay, look for a shorting opportunity.
Okay, let's have a look at the aftermath of this trade. And what did Darko say? He said his bias was 100% short. See, he figures this all out for you while you're learning how to do it for yourself. This is why it's such a great learning environment and a way to learn, by having a mentor like Darko to walk you through it all with his pre-market analysis videos ahead of time. And he's now, of course, he's taken over a short-term service. This is a short-term, what we call a day trade. A little bit misleading. It's not like we get trades every day. We don't. And don't lose your patience over this. I mean, it's really, really important that you follow the rules and be patient. But on the weekly chart, he pointed this level out. He said, look at the resistance in here, how long it's held for so many weeks and even months. And if he's got 100% short bias, get this out of the way here for you, and he sees how price establishes under here, and he's looking for a pattern. What do you say? Look for a pattern up here. Swing break rotation, ACAT, something. Okay, so what happened? So today, and by the way, on the daily chart, it looked like this. This is that same level. I mean, that's just a heck of a level, right there. Price comes back. You see this here, by the way, where it says option 2 short. What I do on my charts, when Darko recorded this, price was, I don't know, down here somewhere. I write these little texts on here and put them right on my chart. That's why I should. Yeah, anyway, it was sitting right here when I first looked at it. So it reminds me, if it comes up to, we're using an option 2 short. He has option 1 and option 2, which are explained in his in the material that we have. We have videos on it. Anyway, this is this very, very negative candle that happened the prior day. We go down to our entry time frame, our 1 hour chart. This is a swing break setup, really a powerful setup when you're trading in alignment with the trend and at these very, very strong levels, and you use all the elements of Darko's trading circle. Boy, if you haven't seen that, there's a video on that in the a YouTube video on that we have. I'll even put a link to it in the text when I send that over here in the email or in the text below this video. I'll put a link to that YouTube video on the trading circle. That is very powerful stuff, folks. That's a recipe for taking trades. This trade in particular, what Darko does in these is he'll use either a Fibonacci level or an opposing level, whichever comes first. He likes the 62%, which happened to be right around here. So the fill was quite nice right up in here. The stop was above here. It needed about a 35 pip risk, and that's about how much it's been up. Maybe not quite. So now it's trade management time. So keep an eye on it. It's very, very close to being up 1-to-1. Maybe you can move. We're into risk management. So you could be moving your stop down to above here now. You could be taking a profit at 1-to-1. You could be just, putting a stop to your break even, probably break even in here, and just leaving it alone for a much lower level. There's all sorts of ways. There's no right or wrong, but we cover different scenarios of that as well. in our videos. So all I wanted to do today in this video is just show you that, with Darko now taking over our short-term trading service, so he's running both the long-term and the short-term now. This is the kind of pre-market analysis videos that he shows, showing levels, where he's looking to trade at. I'm sure just quickly here while I got you. I think there was one on the New Zealand US dollar, very bullish on this pair. And he said, yeah, see this level on the weekly, the upper right here? Watch that level, he said. Is that a good daily level? It's a fantastic daily level. How did it react? Fantastically well. Price came down to this level, and then look at it shooting up here like this. We're not looking to sell this, we're looking to buy it. Okay, so don't get tempted to say, oh, we came back up and we're going to sell. No, this is why you have to use that trading circle and understand bias, and that'll keep you out of a lot of trouble. Okay, so this could be setting up for a pattern right now, and actually some may have taken it using other methods. But in any event, back to our US CAD pair, that was a very nice trade that was called in advance, saving you all the work and allowing you to learn this stuff in real time, in a real-time environment, with Darko's pre-market analysis videos, and not to mention all the other videos that he does to help our members when they have questions, and he'll post separate videos for those, which he just did actually. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that video, and let me know. I'd like to hear feedback from you if you have any questions about this or anything else. All right, thanks so much. I have to say that honestly, I don't know what could be more clear than what Darko pointed out in advance. Like, if you do nothing but follow the PMAs, in my humble opinion, you can't help but improve your trading. And as far as this US CAD trade goes, I mean, who knows how it's going to work out, what's going to become of it. It's really kind of irrelevant, because, and follow it along, see what happens with it. But what we do know is that this is a very good high odds trade setup, and you just have to take it, and then the odds will assert themselves over time. Thanks as always for watching. Please remember that feedback is always welcome. We really do appreciate it. Hope you all have a smashing weekend, and we'll see you at the end of next week with another weekly trade video. Take care.